So, going through your questions that you guys usually ask on my videos, I came across a question. What is the best time to trade indices? What is the best time to be trading indices for anybody who wants to trade the indices? You know, your German 40, UK 100, your Nasdaq 100, US 30, S&P 500, Australian 200. There are many indices out there. So this is my opinion. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing. This is so that you do not miss future videos. If you are subscribed, then you can easily be notified when we post future content. You can also like the videos. That's the only way you can show me that I should continue doing what I'm doing, just sharing my experiences, the knowledge that I have for free. For free. You don't buy anything from me. I don't sell you anything. Everything that I'm giving out is for free. So just go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you also have questions after this video, you can also leave them in the comment section below, and I'll definitely try my best to answer your questions. So let's get into today's video. The question is, what's the best time that I've found to be trading indices? What is the best time to trade indices? Of course, I must accept that everyone has got their own cup of coffee. Everyone has their best time to be trading indices. What I found for me, and this has worked for me, if you have other things that work for you, the best time that works for you, probably leave your ideas in the comment section below so that we help each other. The goal of the channel is to help one another. So personally, what I found is during the hour that markets open, that's where I usually love to trade the indices. For example, what you're looking at is a chart on the UK 100 index with my broker. Their link is in the description box below. I've been trading German 40. I think most of last year I was focused on German 40. It used to be German 30 and it became German 40. So I've been working on that. But this year I decided to try something new because I also observed that UK 100, it tracks the FTSE. It tracks the FTSE, the London Stock Exchange. Somewhat is similar. It's similar the way it moves with German 40. Somehow they are similar in the way they act. So I decided to just give it a try and see what it does. So the month of March, I've been basically just focusing on UK 100 to try and see if it's better or if it's worse than German 40. So far, so good. So the best time to trade German 40, UK 100, which is my major indices. For some people, the major indices is NAS 100, US 30, and it still applies because I've seen many traders also use the same trick. It's usually market open. Why market open? Because there is always going to be volume when the markets open. For example, I'm here in South Africa around 9 p.m. In summer, around 9 p.m., 9 a.m. in summer, when the London session opens, you find a lot of movement as the orders on the London Stock Exchange, the DAX, which is I think the Frankfurt Stock Exchange or whatever, as orders start getting filled, there is going to be a lot of movement, a lot of volume, volatility, which is essentially what you are trying to catch when you are trading. You don't want to place a trade and it takes the whole day to move. What you want to do is to place a trade, and especially when it comes to these indices, you want to place it at a time when there is movement in the market volume, which is usually true at market open. So at market open and for the rest of that hour, it's not just like 1 minute you go in, go out. Yes, you can get in, get out just 1 minute, depending on the strategy that you are using. But what I found was that that whole hour, let's say from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. where I am, you just decide what time does London session open for you, depending on where you are in the world, what time does it open. I found that during that 1 hour after market open, there is a lot of volume movement in the market. And after that, things kind of start stabilizing, things start slowing down and stuff like that. So that first hour after market open is what I usually try to capitalize on. So I do London session in the mornings, and then I wait for the US open in the afternoon. The New York session open in the afternoon, just to see what's happening on NAS 100. I don't trade it as much as many people do trade it. My bread and butter has been German 40 and now UK 100, because I've noticed that they kind of have similar patterns when you actually look at them. So that's my favorite time to be trading indices, and I know many people also trade this way. Market open, the first hour after market open is usually when you can actually make a lot of money with indices. I don't know your strategy. Probably you also have a time that works for you. That is maybe different from a market open. Maybe you actually wait for things to die down before you can actually join the market. It's too fine. I'd like to hear how you do it. So you can leave your comments in the comment section below. I'll definitely want to hear how you are trading the indices. Which one is best time for you to trade this indices? Which indices are you trading? Let's help one another. Let's share the information. Let's help one another. You know, the thing about sharing information, some of these big banks, these traders, these big institutions and stuff like that, they are always sharing information with one another on how to manipulate the markets. But yet you find traders being selfish, traders not wanting to share information, not wanting to help each other. You see what happens. So I would prefer where traders would actually share information with one another, just the same way these big banks, big institutions, these traders, professional traders actually help each other to milk us. We can also actually help one another to milk them. Like this video if you are new. Please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. If you're looking to download stuff, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Otherwise, see you in the comment section. Bye.